Okay, we got to talk about this one. It says, yes, I'm broke. I need some money. Now, I'm not calling this person out. I am using this comment to help you all with this. Hear me out on this. Ready? When you say things like, I'm broke, I need some money, you are literally fucking your own shit up. Now, I don't mean this with hate. I'm saying this for the awareness of how you're self-sabotaging your own wealth. When you say I'm broke, the universe goes, okay, you're broke. It hears that you've just decided you're broke. Now, I know you want to yell at me and be like, bitch, I got negative in my account. Of course I'm fucking broke. Stop. It is not what the reality is in this moment. It's what you're creating for the next moment that matters. In this moment, if you have no money in your bank account, if you have $1 to your fucking name, it is based on everything that has created that energy up to this point. From this moment forward, everything that you do, think, and react to creates the next moment forward. Hence, when you fixate on statements like, I'm broke, instead of, I got money coming to me, my bills are going to be paid, even if you don't really believe it yet, you're telling the universe what you want and what you want to create for the next moment, instead of saying things like, I'm broke and I need money. I know that feels counterintuitive and like bullshit, but it's still fucking true, kiddo, okay? Whoever this is for, send this to somebody that you hear saying limiting, lacking statements about money. Let this help them too. You need to fix how you think and say about money, wealth, riches, anything. Every time you say, I'm broke, the universe is going to make sure that's a guarantee for you. But when you say things like, I have faith money's coming to me, I'm good, all my bills will be paid, the universe goes, okay, I heard you, I'll make sure that happens. One of the major parts of affirmations and manifestations is that you have to heal the blocks that you've put on yourself based on society and whatever else. So part of your body is almost not capable of believing, soul, mind, body, whatever, that there's no way money would be coming to you. You're broke. Instead of telling your brain, body, soul, and the universe, that was the past. Right now I'm rich. Right now I'm wealthy. Right now I know money's coming flowing to me. I fucking know it. It's a guarantee. Do you see how the energy is different there? You need to constantly think and say positive present tense statements like, I got money in the bank. Yes, I do. Yes, I did. And I always will. Fix how you're thinking and saying about money. Fix that relationship with it, and the money will flow to you faster. Stop using words like broke. Okay?